Anker is a company that puts emphasis on designing great and functional products, and I'm sure many of us are familiar with what they offer. Today we're taking a look at an earbud that is highly endorsed by 10 Grammy award-winning producers and to see if they actually stand up to what they promise. Packed full of awesome, modern features, let's see if this earbuds is any good. Welcome to a review of the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to my channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. So with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. So I'm very excited that Anker actually reached out to me to try out one of their flagship earphones. Of course, I will still be providing my honest opinion on how these earphones perform and whether or not they are any good. So these earbuds retail for roughly around 599 Malaysia ringgit, which translates to roughly about 129 US. It's by no means a cheap earphones, but for what they can offer, it's definitely worth the price. I'll put a link in my description below, so if you're looking to get these earphones, do consider using that link to find out what are some of the latest prices of these earphones. One of the first things you'll notice when you pick up one of these earbuds is how well these earphones are built. The overall build of these earbuds really screams quality. The case is primarily made out of a rubberized plastic and has a very smooth sliding lid with the Soundcore branding on the top here. There are 3 LEDs at the front of the case that shows you the remaining battery of the case, and at the back of the case there is a flap that hides the USB-C charge port for topping up your earbuds. So one of the great things about these earbuds is that it also supports wireless charging, so throw it onto any wireless charger or phones with reverse wireless charging and you're good to go. The earbuds itself sits snugly inside the case and the earbuds look really nice and premium overall. There is a slight indent in the earbuds that provides a very nice soft glow. Overall, these earbuds are a little bit on the larger side, so it will definitely stick out your ears a little bit, but it still stays nice and tight in your ears thanks to the wings that comes with the earphones. Overall, the earbuds itself will give you about 8 hours of battery life, and a case gives you an additional 24 hours of battery life, so that's about 3 times charge cycle. And these earbuds also supports quick charging, so 10 minutes of charging will give you about 2 hours of runtime, so that is really quite awesome. So let's talk a little bit about the features of these earbuds. These earbuds features the latest Qualcomm's Bluetooth 5.0 and it supports apEx codec that provides you with great sounding, low latency audio. The Liberty 2 Pro also features an IPX4 water resistance rating, so it will protect you from rain as well as sweat, since these are not rated to be swimming earbuds, so please don't bring them swimming. You can also connect the earbuds to the Soundcore app and it allows you to alter the way these earbuds sound with a bunch of EQ presets. The app also provides you with Hear ID that personalizes the sound based on your ears. Personally, I still prefer the built-in presets that Anker offers. I kinda think that the Hear ID doesn't really make so much of a difference. I still kinda prefer the basic EQ presets. So connecting the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro to your phone is actually a very simple process, and Anker made it extremely easy. So all you gotta do is open up the lid of the earphones and click on scan. So what happens is that the phone will start detecting the earbuds. So there you go, click on it. It should ask you for a confirmation. Click on OK. And you're connected to the Liberty 2 Pro. So of course it's gonna ask you to connect the second side, which is the left side as well, because both of these earbuds connect seamlessly to the phone individually, and it doesn't relay music from one earbud to another. So that is a very good feature that is added onto the Liberty 2 Pro. So that's how you connect the earbuds to your phone. So one of the most amazing features of the Liberty 2 Pro is its extra coaxial acoustic architecture, which simply means that the earbud comes with a 11mm dynamic driver that helps with the overall bass performance and a balanced armature driver that helps with the overall clarity of these earbuds. So in practice, these earbuds sound superb, and Anker claims that you will experience studio performance using these earbuds, and I really think they deliver. The bass of these earbuds are strong, almost to the level of subwoofers in your ear, and that amateur driver gives you that awesome clarity throughout the entire range. So using these earphones, you literally could pick out all the instruments in any song. So coupled with all the different types of ear tips that Anker provides, you are bound to find an ear tips that fits you and you transform your listening experience. So of course, if you go into the Anker Soundcore app, you can play around with all the different equalizers there. You can choose either from a custom EQ, a professional EQ, which comes from all the tuning from all the different Grammy Award music producer, as well as preset from Anker. So Personally, I think the best is still the presets, where you can just pick up a couple of presets that you really enjoy. So the overall call quality of the Liberty 2 Pro is actually very good. With Qualcomm's CVC noise cancelling technology, the earbuds uses 4 different microphones around to cancel out ambient noise to give you that crisp and clear call quality. So let's take a listen to how these call qualities sound on these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not the Liberty 2 Pro actually sounds good during a phone call. So this is me talking in my regular voice, and there's no ambient noise around me now. So this is the sound quality, and what I'm going to do now is turn on the ambient noise, and you should hear a difference, but whether or not that difference, you can still hear me well and the call quality is still crisp and clear, that I'll leave it to you to judge. So this is the sound quality of the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. In terms of latency control, the overall performance of the earbuds is very good, thanks to the apex codec that these earbuds have. So watching videos on YouTube, Netflix is generally very enjoyable, and you should not notice any latency at all. So let's take a look at the latency performance of the Liberty 2 Pro. So this is a test to see whether or not the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do is clap into the mic, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. So with that, you should be able to tell whether or not the Liberty 2 Pro actually have a latency problem. So in terms of controls, Anker lets you customize the controls of the earbuds, and you can alter them to the controls that you most frequently use. So it supports all types of controls, from track skipping to volume controls, as well as your voice assistants. So if you click into the app and you go under controller, you will see that the controls will allow you to change the double tap feature as well as the hold 1 second feature. So both of them are the same. You can either choose a track skipping, you can either choose voice assistance or volume controls. So changing that will alter the way the earbuds control your media. So the single tap will allow you to play or pause your music, as well as answer or reject phone calls. So those are some of the ways you can control your media using the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. So overall, if you're in the market for earphones with all the latest bells and whistles, as well as having amazing sound quality, definitely give the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro a try, and you definitely won't regret it. So that is it for this review, and if you found this review helpful, please smash that thumbs up button, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.